Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Paul Kennedy here. For anybody that follows me on a regular day-to-day basis, you might notice I've finally got my shelves in. Currently building up the whole kind of YouTube studio kind of thing here. So I'm trying to get some lights now for it all and everything. So it's all come together. Yeah, so we'll see what the finished product is. Maybe in the next video I might have lights hooked up and everything to emphasize what I've got going on back here. But anyway, cracking into today's episode. Now, I wanted to kind of challenge myself in making an advert, but not only just any advert. I wanted to limit myself to only stock footage. Not only stock footage, but free stock footage. So there was not so much variety, let's just say. And yeah, I came up with something. Now, it's not going to win any awards or anything, or no one's going to come banging down my door to say, hey, great stuff, we want you, or anything like that. But you know what? For what it is, I'm happy with it. I quite surprised myself. And do you know what? It was a big learning curve as well, because the things that I learned in it, putting things together, you know, you got your sound and everything like that, and you know, sound effects and whatnot. But anyway, yeah, it was quite good actually. So I'm actually gonna, you know, shut up now, and I'm going to play the video or the advert, and yeah, you can let me know what you think down in the comments of it, and maybe try and give it a go yourself. So here, let's run the show. So guys, that was the video now, or the advert. Like I said, it ain't gonna win no awards, but again, for what it was, you know yourself. Just for the record, there is no company called Orange Drops, or no orange juice company called that, as far as I know anyway. So I had to come up with just a simple little logo as well, so I had to pop that in there. For something that is just stock footage, you know, there's quite a bit of work that was put into it. You know, I can only imagine, like, if I had to do the shots myself, you know, you probably have more fun doing it rather than trying to find, you know, little clips here and there from different sites. I'll put a link to all the sites that I use to get any free stock footage and all the stuff like that to it, so maybe you guys can have a go to help you out. Anyway, I'm just going to leave it there. I'll run the little video again, maybe, or why do I keep saying a video? The advert again at the end. Yeah, and like before, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one next week. So until then, have a good one.